One of the biggest problems in conveying material is belt tracking. You can go to pretty much any site out there, they're going to have at least one belt that's running off, and it tends to be a recurring problem. When you're looking at a belt tracking issue, the first thing you have to do is determine what's causing the issue before you can fix it. So many places out there will say the belt's tracking off, put a trainer on it and that'll fix it. Well, that doesn't fix it. All that does is causes it to track the other direction further down the belt line. You hate to think about it, but the solution to a mistracking belt may be installing a cleaner, not a training roll. Find the problem first before treating the symptom. Normally, belt tracking is caused by loading conditions. The belt may be being off-center loaded, which is causing it to be heavier to one side, causing it to run off. The other thing is component misalignment or structure misalignment. Some conveyors out there have had a traumatic incident where they've got a bow to their structure, or maybe a pulley is installed and it's not square to the structure, square to the center line of the belt actually. That's another issue. Another issue can be just the belt itself. Possibly it has a crooked splice in it. Possibly it has some damage to one side or the other that's causing more tension to be driven to one side or the other and causing it to pull off that way. The wear and condition of the components. If you have a pulley that's wearing hard to one side, it may have an inch of lagging on one side, no lagging on the other side. The belt's going to want to tend to climb to the high side on that pulley. If you have a lot of carryback on your return rolls, you're going to have a lot of material building up one side or the other. It's going to cause the belt to walk one way or the other. You have to look at what's causing the problem, and I can't stress that enough over and over. Solve the problem, don't treat the symptom.